recommend setting the temperature to 320 Celsius on the hot air gun. Always use the right screwdriver. Make sure you don't mix up the screws. Use plastic tools when handling the battery. Use isopropyl alcohol. Just remember to use it carefully. Subscribe now for daily tips, tricks and tutorials. When it comes to iPhone and iPad repair, details matter. Make sure you don't mix up the screws. A quick reminder: never throw away your used batteries in the trash. Always dispose of them properly at a designated collection point. Want to know how we get the job done? Check out the video description for a list of all the tools and equipment we use. We love hearing from our viewers, so don't forget to leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. And if you need any help with fixing your iPhone or iPad, just ask in the comments, we're always happy to help. Subscribe now for daily tips, tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy repairing.